Hello, you guys, it's Heather here coming at you from a hot tub in Colorado. Today is day 2 of Wobble Rocks. It's the throwback set, and I haven't really listened to Ganja's older stuff. Today is gonna be a fun day for me because it'll be like brand new music for me, you know what I mean? So stay tuned for that. I'm excited because my friend Addie is flying in from Houston. She texted me last night. She's like, bitch, I'm coming, like get ready. And I'm like, hell yeah. But yes, stay tuned. I will see you guys in a second. Okay, you guys, I'm at Red Rocks here in the parking lot, and look who's here! Addie! Yes! She flew in from Houston last night, right? Like last minute?
This morning.
Oh, this morning.
I bought my ticket at 5 a.m.
Wait, really?
Yes.
And that's your first time here, right?
Yes, first time here.
Oh my god, I want to like get your like reaction seeing Red Rocks for the first time.
I can't wait.
But like, look how fucking beautiful, like even that is, right? Oh, yeah.
Here we are.
Oh, seriously. They're like, all right, what's the most harmless conspiracy theory that we can start?
Yeah. Look at this model of Red Rocks. This is sick. That's cool. Y'all, like we're inside Red Rocks. It started with this, and now look at this dude. He's like, I know some wonky shit's about to happen tonight at Ganja. You guys, they would be proud of us for gravy tonight. You know it. You know it. Oh shit. Look, a little Starbucks in Red Rocks. Low key, that's awesome. They sell beer. Do you want to, Joe, you want to get a beer here? So here's the top of Red Rocks. Here's the merch. I don't know if you can see it. I got my pashmina still. The jersey sold out the first night, I guess. So, or maybe I don't know. My friend really wanted, what's it called? The hockey jersey, and it sold out. So, I don't know if they're gonna put more online or not, but I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna be done talking. Woo! Guys, we're at the top right now.
Khiva just started.
Oh, yeah, look at our view.
Yes, the city, the stage.
Yes, the city, the stage. It's a vibe. I'm excited for tonight. Yeah. Okay, you guys, so if I was any living organism on this planet, I would want to be this tree right here. This tree. This fucking tree. I don't know if you can hear me, but like this tree has experienced some fucking music. Like, I want to be this tree right here. It's fucking heard the best music ever. Think about it.
gangster. This one is a special Ternion track. Super special, first time playing it. Widdler. You guys sing beautifully. Let me hear it. Let me hear it.
She left me roses by the stairs. Surprises let me know she cares. So I will not go. Hear the light call, carry me
Hello everyone, this is Heather. This is my outro for day 2. Sorry it's windy. I'm already at Red Rocks again for, day 3. Oh, the moon's so pretty. But yes, last night, I'm sorry if you can't hear this, but last night was crazy. Honestly, I feel like I could write a book with what happened, but the music was pretty good. I was very disappointed in Ivy Lab, so they performed right before Ganja, but they weren't supposed to perform originally. Mala was supposed to perform, but they're from overseas and weren't able to get here in time for whatever reason, or weren't even able to come. So Ivy Lab like went in and like I like did not it was like not a good transition for me. So yeah, other than that it was good. You know what I mean? I don't know. But okay, thank you for watching day 2. Please look forward to day 3. Day 3 is Dark Wobble set, so I'm ready to get after it. Alright, thank you guys. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope that you enjoyed this. Okay, bye!